Oh, where to go? Lazazim looking for the lead. Running by the wheel of a ball. Francis showing speed on the outside. Is Prince Laria. And going along for the first turn, Lovable Francis, followed by Prince Laria. Alain Kanihap na to runner to last as him around the outside. My Bukas pa, running by the wheel is Boyo. Next on line, Majestic Queen, Dark Hero is also there. Something New is next on line, then followed by Glamoroso. Entry number 11, Sweet Allies moving up, Strong Boy. While Kiss Me is running in the tail of the field. Down the back stretch, they travel. Lovable Francis, last as him. My Bukas pa now from the outside. Inside the last 600, last as him rushing up to the outside. My Bukas pa running in third. Lovable Francis. Here comes Boyo. Around the outside, Majestic Queen, Dark Hero is next on line. Prince Larry, Strong Boy coming home to now as they hit the final corner. Lasa Simba wheel and My Bukas pa on the outside. It's still Lasa si My Bukas pa on the outside. Lasa si My Bukas pa on the outside, but still last Hasim, followed by My Bukas pa, Boyo, Majestic Queen, Dark Hero, Strong Boy. Might be completed this Super 6.
Ay, 2:12.7:14 lang ang klaro. Mamaya ako